welcome again to yet another video on knitting. Hope you've enjoyed the knitting base and the purl stitch. Now let us move on to the knit. For the knit, you will needle from inside, behind, take the thread, loop it around the knitting needle, gently bring this to the corner, loop it, can you see? And I bring it around the needle and bring it out onto this needle and loosen it on this. Now again, put the needle in, loop it and bring it out. Put it in, loop it and bring it out. This is knitting, knit stitch, K-N-I-T, knit. Last class where you learned about purl, P-U-R-L, purl stitch. Now go a little slow. Here I'm going to create a design. Let's say don't be in a hurry, go slow, and the knit is done. So the knit will look like this portion, which is not yet ready. But then I'm coming to show you how purl will look. Take it like this. The first stitch of purl which I showed you was like this. From behind, you're bringing it in, turn, and I'll be doing 10 or 12 stitches like this to create a very simple design. So you get the practice of both knit and purl. Okay. As you do it with practice, you spend 1 hour and half an hour in practicing daily. You will get the hang of holding the needle too. Now this is purl. Now we get back to knit. From front in,